Hello students, welcome back to another episode where we go and join Lo-Fi Girl or Lo-Fi Girl, however you want to pronounce it. This is a live stream. There are 28,000 people watching. It's been live streaming from February 22nd, 2020. There are 10.2 million followers on this channel. And all you see the whole time is this young lady writing with her cat in the background and soothing music going on. And we are here for one reason only, to raise awareness about the suffering of the animals with these people who are here from all over the world. We are guests here, and so we will be polite, and we will simply remind people that they can be vegan. Thank you for being vegan. Thank you for not eating animals this Easter. Thank you for choosing to be kind to animals. All we can do is come here and raise a little bit of awareness. If you have the word vegan in your name on your YouTube channel, that's a great way to start. You will always see people who are writing things like I love meat and things like that, and that's normal. It's normal for them to combat you, to often even be verbally aggressive. You see people saying bacon is awesome and I eat dog and that sort of thing. And then the person you see just quickly retracted that message. Somebody there saying they're about to eat a burger, but now when they look at their burger, they will think twice. They will think about what they are eating. That's all we can do. It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. Gotta get the message in your head, gotta get the message in your heart. What else can we say here? Animals are friends, not food. And somebody says, I love meat, cows and pigs. I understand that. We all ate animals. Almost every single vegan on the planet ate animals, unless you happen to be one of the lucky ones who was born in a vegan household. That's different. It's not about how animals taste. We all know that they taste good when you put all the spices on them. It's not about that. Somebody writes there, I like chicken. Don't eat animals. They never did anything wrong to you. Just try to get the conversation going, even though you see people there all over the world having their own conversations in their own languages. Now somebody says, they put here some animals with a sad face. And somebody else is here, stop it. They don't want me to talk about the animals. Vegan teacher eats corn. Yep, I do. Don't eat cats or cows. I like to put that comment because people often say, well, why would I eat a cat? And then my question is, well, why would you eat a cow? And someone else says here, it's their fault, they're so delicious. These are all the same comments we hear all the time. I'm plant-based king. Well, it's great, Emma, that you eat plants. Remember that being vegan is not about food, it's about protecting animals, the most vulnerable on the planet. And here's somebody reminding people that they ate a grass-fed steak. It makes no difference where the animal came from. The fact of the matter is they're killed at the end, and grass-fed cows are no better off. They still have their throats slit, they still suffer, they're still being torn from their families. It's wrong to eat animals. We all know it. We all know that we don't have to. There are stores nearby. Anybody can be vegan. Simply choose to put only veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate. So just open up your heart. Somebody here says, what about frogs? Well, don't eat frogs. Don't eat frogs or hogs. Choose compassion, not cruelty. I'm filming your comments for a video for my channel. Please be kind and polite. If you are vegan, let us know. And somebody says they love burgers. I understand that. Vanessa said she loves burgers. Somebody named Naruto says, why can't I eat meat? Oops. Eating animals hurts them and the environment. Eat things, not beings. Now someone says, vegan teacher, if animals eat other animals, why can't we? What was the name of that person? How do I spell it to tag them? It goes by so fast. GQ, okay? GQ, there we go. Some animals eat other animals, but we don't have to. We have moral agency. We can choose to be kind and eat other things. Whoops, let that go. See if we missed anything here. Somebody said hello. Okay, we got it. Animals have no souls, they're not human. That's not true, you don't know that. Animals feel pain, that's all that matters. All that matters. It doesn't matter how smart they are. It doesn't matter whether they have wool or fur or feathers. All that matters is that they can feel pain like us, and so it's wrong. Animals, like children, need our protection. Animals, like children, need to be safe from harm. We can save them from so much suffering. Thank you for choosing to be kind and for choosing to be better than yesterday. Thank you for choosing to be vegan. So there you have it. This is an example of the kind of outreach that you can do if you go to one of these live streams. Be kind, be vegan, give some vegan facts, get the conversation going, and you will see that eventually people will come over to your channel and to understand what you're all about. It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. I understand it's not always easy, but remember, you were born vegan. You never wanted to hurt animals to begin with. You were just indoctrinated. You were taught to do so. You were brainwashed, and now you know better. Thank you for being kind to vegans and to the animals they are trying to protect. Thank you for being here, everyone. Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them. Be curious. Subscribe to my channel. Help me to protect the animals. Go to streams like this and comment. Do your best. Put only veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate, so open up your heart. And remember that this cat here, who is sitting there so peacefully, deserves love and kindness, but just same as other animals do. I hope Lofi Girl is being vegan. I think she is. She seems kind and compassionate, and you can be too. Bye for now.